Welcome to my channel, wherever you are. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I've come to bring to us an interesting topic on how we can leverage on some small businesses around us to make money and take care of our some of our needs. So I have 15 businesses, 15 small businesses that I will be discussing in this video for us to take action and implement any of them in our neighborhood to make money and take care of our needs. So relax and watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to get these businesses. Some of them you are familiar with them, but you may not have thought it wise to go into them. But after this video, you will be convinced that it was investing in. Just relax and watch. So number one on our list is firewood firewood business. So firewood business is one business that you can start in front of your house and within your street and within your neighborhood and be making cool money to take care of your domestic needs. So you can just start it in front of your house. Buy firewood from the forest or from anywhere. Bring them down to your area and start selling them. People will be coming to patronize you day and night because the price of fuel, kerosene and gas have skyrocketed. People have Most people have resorted to the use of firewood. So if you start selling this product within your area, you'll be having customers. So number one. Number two is charcoal, charcoal business. So you can start selling charcoal within your area. People will patronize you. People are augmenting gas with charcoal this time around, thereby reducing the amount they spend on buying gas. So within your neighborhood, you can be selling charcoal to your neighbors and they'll patronize you. Some people are within the area and some people are into the sale of charcoal and they're bringing in trucks of charcoal on a weekly basis and they're selling. So if you can go into this small business. So then number three is value use. Value use. Yes. AKA. So you can start selling AK. It's not at your house on the street. It's not at the market. It's in the market. Select nice ones. The ones that are then the next one is the fourth one is barley. Guy, don't let it too bad to get it bad to look at that one. Farming salon, go for the training, it doesn't take much to learn. 3 months, 6 months, you're good to go. Just go and learn it. One, within your area, in your street, work. Learn what about your skill initially, but look how consistent you are. You gradually improve in your skill. So go and start it. You make some money from it and pay some of your bills. So the next one is increasing salary. Salary. So you may not be you just learn charge. They'll go and tell others. From there, customers will come. You start making the money. So hairdressing salon is one businesses you can start in your house or in your street and make extra income depending on what you're doing. You can be doing that when you're working, you can be doing that within the weekend people. And people know you know when you're always available to book a space and come even the weekend. You make money. Start to say, oh, good. Yeah. So that's one reason. The sixth one is phone repair. Here's another business. Just like zero, doesn't require much cash. Start repairing people's phone within your environment, within your locality. You can start repairing people's phone, and from there, people will be coming from outside to bring jobs. So, phone and laptop. 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 Can start repairing phone and laptop. Just learning. It doesn't take much. Start doing that. So the other one is solar. The second one is solar installation. So solar installation is another lucrative area where you can learn and start it in your house. And you don't need to rent any shop. Just learn it. Tell people about your skill. And once people see the ones you do or examples of the ones you've done, they'll start patronizing you. So learn solar installation and start installing your thing. Then the next one is event decoration. Yes, event decoration. Event decoration is another business that you can venture into this 2025. You can be doing it as a full-time business or be doing it as a side hustle. It doesn't matter. The most important thing is that you are making your money by being consistent. Be consistent. Once you're consistent, and once people give you a job, you deliver, more jobs will come in. You'll be getting referrals. So that's one other business. Then the ninth one is event MC. Event MC. Yeah, you can be doing MC for events within your area. Start MC, print business card. Market yourself during weekends. You get booked for events, MC events. They'll pay you, make your money. The other one is DJ, event DJ, which is another event DJ. Event DJ. So play music in events. Get your instruments. You can get these instruments gradually. You buy them gradually. Before you know it, you have all the necessary equipment. Then you start. Wherever they have events, you can be booked to come and play for them. You'll be making your money on daily basis or on weekly basis, depending on your availability. The most important thing is your consistency. Once they need you, you are there. So the 11th one, the 11th one is number 11 is video coverage. So video coverage is another photography and photography. So video coverage is another side, so you can another business you can start without much expenses. Start video coverage and on daily basis. Within the weekend, you'll be making your money. People will be calling you to come and cover their events or ceremonies. You're making your money, cover your snap. That's one other side hustle you can be doing to be generating income. The other one is laundry. Wow. 12th one is laundry. Laundry. Laundry services. Laundry services, yes. This is another business that requires little to start, and you can start it at the convenience of your house. Do it. Just do it well. Do it well. You don't need much. Just locate where there's electricity, power supply, and buy the detergents required for washing of clothes and get electric iron. You're good to go. You are really good to go. Wash it well and ensure you deliver as promised. So that's another business. The other one, the 13th one is digital marketing. Can- So this can you do it online. You using your smartphone or your laptop as the case may be. You can do it at the convenience of your house or anywhere you are. Just go online, market people's product, and generate some income from doing that and solve your problems. The other next one is um, 14th one is sand. Sand mine. Wow. There's another lucrative business that you can be doing as side hustle. Yes, sand mining to organize people that will be carrying the sand for you from the base or from the river up here where they'll be dumping it for you. So if you're able to get this chain of service providers, that's is the supervisor, and then the people that will be excavating the sand from the water, and the carriers, those that will be lifting it from the water bank up to the dump. So if you can have this chain of service providers or chain of workers, you're good to go. You're home and dry. You'll be making your money. And last but not the least, which is the 15th one, sorry. The 15th business that you can do in this 2025 with little income or little capital is going to the villages to buy food items and bringing them to the city to sell. You go to the interior village or the hinterland, buy these food items, come to this city and sell them and make your money. There are people readily available to buy them from you. So these 15 businesses can fetch you money if you decide to pick one or two of them and apply them in this 2025. So keep on hustling and making money on a daily basis. Thank you.